Okay, so I am starting a new series in my channel. Let's just call it probably 2-minute quick tip day. Bahala na, pag-isipan natin next time. But the goal of this series is to for me to share with you guys some quick and easy techniques on random things. And for today, what I'm going to share with you guys is how to remove random objects and photo bombers on your images. Okay, let's go. Let me just record my screen real quick. Okay, so we have here 3 images, so 1, 2, and 3. All of these are from Pexels.com. So Pexels.com is actually a resource website where you could get random, or I mean free to use stock images and other resources. So what you will need is, of course, your computer and Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so let's start. I have the images pre-opened on my Photoshop already. So let's use the lasso tool. I have the lasso tool right here to select the image. Well, what I usually do is to duplicate the image first, just so I could go back to the original copy if in case I made some mistakes. So let's select this hot air balloon right here. We don't want that in an image. And here's the trick. Just hit Function Shift F5 and there you go. Okay, so hot air balloon is gone. So that's the first image. It's a bit easy just because the background of the image is flat, or the background of the object we want to remove is flat, so it's much easier that way. But on our next image, let's see how it goes for this one. Since there's a mountain and there's a hill at the back of this guy awkwardly jumping, so we don't want that ruining our image. So let's remove this guy from our landscape right here. So again, select this guy using the lasso tool. Once selected, hit Function Shift F5. That's for Mac. Okay, and for Windows, that's only Shift F5. Okay, let's go to our next image. Okay, you have another great looking landscape, but there's a lady in here ruining the scene, so just select the girl, the lady, using the lasso tool. And okay, once done, hit Function Shift F5. The window will appear and just hit OK. Okay, as you can see here, there's a little bit of patches right here, but since it's only 2-minute, actually 4 minutes na tayo ngayon, 2-minute video, we are going to end our quick tip video for today. Salamat guys for watching. I hope you learned something. Right? So that ends our quick tip video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Till our next video, maraming salamat.